Ooh, look at these dumplings. Look at them. If you know anything about rundown, there be a cook rundown, you know. This is home. Look at that beauty. Look at it. Colors popping. Sauce is there. Glossiness is there. And look at the color. Look at the color. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you. I had posted a shorts a few months back pairing jerk chicken with ackee. I didn't show how to prepare it. Some people have problem with the shorts, but you know the shorts is a YouTube upcoming thing now. Yeah, so creators are using shorts in with their content right now. So I did post a shorts, or I did posted a shorts pairing ackee with jerk chicken. I did not show, but on this video today I'm going to show you how I pair some Jamaican ackee with some Jamaican jerk chicken. So for this, all you're going to need is some ackees. Whether you want to use a tin one, yes or no, but you know me in Jamaica, I'm going to have to use a tin one. Your jerk chicken is already done. Okay, I'll be using 1/4 of this jerk chicken. I have only breast quarters leave. We did some jerk chicken, and you'll see that on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train. That's one of my other channels as you go along. So whether you want to do yours, you want to get some store-bought or whatever you want to do, but I'm gonna pair my jerk chicken, Jamaican jerk chicken, with some ackee. So you're gonna need jerk chicken, of course. You're not gonna need no scallion and no onion, none of them something. And also I have here some firm ackees. You know, I don't have to use a tin, but if you have the tin, you do your tin and do your thing. So right on over here, I've got me a pot with some water coming to a boil to the amount of ackee. And right here, I'm preparing for you. This is not a part of it. Some Jamaican hard-boiled food. That is just something that I can show that you can have it with. So I'll wait on my water to come to a boil, and then I'll come back and show you. With my water coming to a boil, and this is the hottest when the water, when you see all these little bubbles in there, when it starts releasing the bubbles, it's not as hot. So I'm gonna put a little salt to cook my ackee to my liking. My jerk chicken is not salt, and sometimes ackee, or most times, you have to put a little salt to taste. So I'm gonna let it continue. Right here I have warm water. So I'm just gonna pour some. That's what I use to wash my ackee, as my mother said. And I'm gonna come back to tell you, which I thought I did say already. Warm water, water that is comfortable on your hand, and that is what you see. So you'll wash off this little water right there. I get my ackee right in there. Yes, and I look, and I don't want a lot of water on my ackee. I just want enough to like have my ackee like on the like sort of you know, I don't want it to be a lot. This is not the spoon. So I'd say this is really enough, and I probably could take out a bit. I think I could take out a little bit of this water. Okay, that's good. Too much water in your pot for cooking ackee makes your ackee too mushy. On the subject of mushy ackees, I was taught by my mother to wash ackees with warm water, because I'm not certain, maybe it's a myth. If you're a Jamaican and you ever heard this one, you can say it. You could never wash my mother's ackee with cold water. She says continually washing of ackees with the cold water, it eventually let the ackees get soft. Each time the ackee them bear, they become softer in nature more and more. If you're a Jamaican and you have ever heard this, in the comment section, share it with me. If you're not a Jamaican and you have access and you're familiar with ackee like how we Jamaicans know up with ackee, please leave it in the comment section. Gonna get our ackees cooked and return. So my ackee right over here is being cooked, and I leave it to drain. And that's how I like to do my ackees. I don't like my ackee too soft and mushy, but you can do your ackee how you want it. So with a skillet, heavy bottom or a thick bottom skillet, Jessie or anything, this is how I prepared my jerk chicken. I chopped it. So with about a tablespoon or a tablespoon greasing the bottom of your skillet, I'm gonna put my jerk chicken in, and I'm gonna be moving it around on a little higher than medium heat, and I'm gonna get it, you know, to come to a crispiness as I move it around. It's not gonna be as crisp as ever, but I just want to let it get, you know, the chopped part there, get a little crisp up. So with all my flavors in, my jerk flavors, I'm not gonna put any scallions, I'm not gonna put any onions, no, nothing at all, because this chicken is filled with jerk flavors, and that's what I want to taste with my ackee jerk. I'm gonna cover it, come maybe 1 or 2 times, move it around, let it be crispy and nice. Make sure your ackee is properly drained. You don't want no water, put them in it. See? So next clip. So I'm gonna get it like this. You see this? And at this point, when you lift up your cover of your pot, your kitchen should be popping with that jerk flavor. If it not pop, you know something wrong with all that cinnamon. All of them something the way you flavor up your jerk. With no drippings, you're gonna add your ackee. Turn this up as you would do with your saltfish and your ackee. It's just that we ain't gonna put any extra cook up something. We just want to, and you don't worry about the look. Yeah, you just want to get all that niceness from the bottom there with all the jerk flavor up in your ackee. Put more jerk if you want, put more ackee depending on how you want it. And you're gonna say, wow, I want to put some sweet pepper, but you can go ahead and put your sweet pepper. You know, really certain things want to know how to make things already. I'm not gonna put black pepper. I've got here some red pepper flakes. I'm gonna put a little here. Got to continue with the heat on the jerk if you can manage, and put it right there. So I'm gonna have it, right? Not too much because this is spicy. You want to do now, what you want to do now, you're gonna turn your flame down to the lowest. Leave that for 5 minutes. When you see me next, I'll have some plate up for you. Jerk chicken and ackee done Debbie's way. There is my finished ackee and jerk chicken, family. Hope you will enjoy, hope you'll try it. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Remember to check my merch store out. Remember to check out my Patreon page. There you will have all those info in the link of this video and all my other videos and lives. Thanks for watching.